So what do you think about these Nightingale murders?
It's a bitch, I know that. Brad's starting to freak out. Press calling him the next son of Sam.
In 1996, there was a killer on the loose, and he was given the moniker the Nightingale Killer.
He's only targeting nurses?
Yeah, for now. But Jules is gonna be just fine. She's smart.
We don't really address it until we're talking way down the line in 2016.
Emmy's got a match on those remains. It's a nurse who went missing back in '96. Susie Chiron.
Chiron?
What?
My mom worked with her. I remember when she went missing. We calling this a Nightingale kill?
Not that there's anything we can do about it.
That Nightingale killer was caught, he died, or he relocated, but he stopped. Like, there were no more deaths.
But when Raimi goes back in time and saves Frank, she changes the course of history, and the Nightingale is not caught.
There's no easy way to say this. We've ID'd the remains from the marsh.
Susie Chiron, the nurse missing from '96. We talked about this.
No, I needed to talk to you in person about this. I'm sorry, Raimi, it's your mom. Her mother winds up becoming the next victim of the Nightingale murderer.
So by changing the timeline, Raimi is starting to realize that she might be partially responsible for deaths that didn't happen when her father died. And people who would have lived and had full lives are now victims of this serial killer.
Rough go, man.